Trapper of the year, bitch, I can't stop, can't stop. Trap so stanky, you can smell it through the package.
Guys, it's your boy Tips back again here for another video. This time I got my 5.0. Wait, before I leave, let me tell you my 5 favorite things I like about my 550. Number 5 has to go to my headrest. Let me get on and show you. These are not any kind of headrests. They fold in to keep my head nice and comfortable. Number 4 has to go to my gray paint job. It's not any kind of gray, because you know you boys got 50 shades of gray going on.
Gotcha, bitch!
No, I'm just messing with you. I like it because gray help brings out the fine lines in the 5 Series, which leads me to number 3 on my favorite things on this list. My M Sport package. 50 shades of gray that match my M style bumpers from M style package. With more distinguished side skirts, which also complements my M Sport wheels. It's not an M5, but comes pretty close. This is my 4.8 naturally aspirated BMW with 360 horsepower. That will go 0 to 100 in 4.8 seconds, just like my motor. Number 2 has to go to my taillights. If you have the last remodel years, you get the updated versions. Something about that bangle butt just turned out nice. If you see the individual hydrogen lights inside the taillights, that's how you know you have the upgraded versions. It portrays a very aggressive and distinguished look. They look especially good when you see them at nighttime. Number 1 has to go to my red light camera detectors. While your car might come well equipped with radar detectors, I take it one step further and get red light camera detectors too. Now don't get me wrong, I'm not out here running red lights, but you can never be too safe. This thing pays for itself. Well, there you have it. Those are my 5 favorite things I like about my 550. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you smash that like button. And check out my 5 favorite things about my 7 and 6 series.
Trapper of the year, bitch, I can't stop, can't stop. Trap so stanky, you can smell it through the package.